Welcome to another interior ceramic coating video. So as you can see, I am installing the coating. I did not record the prep of this, so the proper prep for a coating, any protectant, is to clean it thoroughly. And I spend more time cleaning it thoroughly because we want to make sure, especially in all the corners and stuff, all the dirt's gone. So as you can see on that center console, I wiped it with a dampened O&R towel, Optimum No Rinse, which is a cleaning product. It's very universal, can clean windows, exteriors, interiors, whatever. You have to, in order to install the coating, the surface has to be dampened with O&R because these products come from the same company. They work in conjunction with each other. If you try to put the product on the leather without being damp with O&R, it won't spread. It'll kind of, wherever you start putting it on is where it's going to stay, and you can kind of move it around. You see like these weird lines, and it'll just look really streaky and bad. And of course, it's not spreading. You want to spread it thin. It's kind of like how they resurface a parking lot. You blob this big blob of tar and you start pushing it around. It's kind of like that. That's a dumb illustration, but the O&R allows it to kind of move around and be even. I like to put it on heavy, just because interiors, whenever you're in it, you're touching something. Nobody ever sits on, I hope you don't sit on your car, but the amount of pressure and friction does not occur on the exterior, even when you're washing it, as opposed to the inside. You're kicking the sill plates and the door panels when you get in. It happens. Even I bump mine every once in a while. I feel like I'm pulling hairs out of my head when I do that. That's kind of what it feels like to me. So anyway, everything on the interior, all touch points and non-touch points, all interior leather, plastic, and fabric gets protected with this product. The reason it can be an interior, so a lot of people don't even realize, oh, you can ceramic coat an interior. Yes, it is painted and clear coated, just like the exterior. So since it's painted and clear coated, we can ceramic coat that top coating, which is the clear coat, and we put the ceramic coating on top of the vinyl coating. Unfortunately, if your interior is, let's say your seats are leather, technically they're actually vinyl, or vinyl is another word for plastic. Think of an old record from the 70s. We called them vinyls, pieces of plastic. So it's actually painted with a vinyl paint and a vinyl clear coat. So technically we're dealing with plastic, even if it is real leather. These seats are not real leather, but that's okay. Vinyl is extremely durable. It starts to split and like tear open like a cut, as opposed to leather. Leather just kind of look like you sanded it off. So anyway, all points get ceramic coated. The side of the headrest, the back of the head, back of the seats, between the seat bolster and the center console, bottom cushion, inside the cup holders, the radio, the vents, your turn signal switches, the steering wheel, the center of the steering wheel, anything that's, it's a lot of individual little pieces that form a total of, you know, a certain amount of leather or plastic. Fabric gets coated as well. I'm working on another video where I'll show you how the fabric protectant works. It's fabric ceramic coating. Of course, it's a liquid, it's a sprayable. Hydrophobic, protects, anyway. So the reason we do this, I like offering ceramic coatings for the interior, and really compared to the exterior, an interior ceramic coating is more, let's say, cost effective. It's more necessary because your interior will be, if you use your vehicle, of course you don't use your vehicle, it doesn't really matter. Most people use their vehicle, you know, 10 to 15,000 miles a year. If you use your interior, your car, you're going to beat it up. It's going to get dirty. It's going to cost you more to keep the interior clean over time than it will the exterior. So ceramic coat it. Man, cut that cost basically down to a third. At least that's the way I've set it up. You know, you could spend $200 to $500 to clean your interior without being coated. If it's coated, you're $150 or less. So I don't just coat the really the areas that are going to get more wear and tear. I coat everything because what happened, how the coating on the interior works is there's always static built up on the inside, especially the points that you don't touch, the the dashboard, that whole dash piece, tops of the door panels, maybe wherever. And then on top of that, junk and dirt and stuff is falling into crevices and pockets. So since static charge is built up, it actually holds on. You could take air and blow, and the dust stays there because static is holding it. So the coating actually stops that static process. So that's one way the interior stays cleaner. The other way is it actually makes the interior feel slicker. So in 30 days when this coating is cured, the interior feels slicker. I can see it, I can feel it. So anyway, I thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe if this was helpful. I will see you on the next one. Bye.